sitting pretty, because when the half square triangles are in this orientation, it looks like chairs and they're sitting straight up, so they're sitting really pretty. So this is a 12-inch finished block. Very simple. It's a 9 patch. It's 9 half square triangles, lights and dark fabrics. Now, I have the same light fabric through the whole block, but you can do a mixture of lights, low volume prints, whatever you want, and then darks. Just make sure you have really good contrast as usual. So I'm going to show you one layout. Here are the instructions you can download, and I have 2 samples here of this block laid out in a quilt. You can cut and sew the triangles using the 4 at a time or 8 at a time method, whatever you choose. And then I have the AccuQuilt dies here, the 4-inch finished half square triangle dies. And there's 2 different of those you can get, but they're listed here, and they're listed in the description below the video as well. And I've also got 2 colorways. So this is the scrappy colorway, and this is the 2 fabric colorway. And here are the 2 different quilts. This one, if you'll notice, these blocks are all oriented differently. They're rotated around this center here. There are 4 blocks across and 6 blocks down, and it finishes at 55 inches by 82 inches. One of the things about this design is all of the blocks are the same. So if we look at this block here, they're all the same fabric. So this fabric is always here and the same. So the exact same block, and you could make all 24 blocks the same, and you would get this look. It's probably not too different than just doing all scrappy, but there is like a little secondary design, or there is some symmetry to it when you use all the same fabrics in the same block. And then you don't have to set these block to block, because you'll have every seam you'll need to match. I just put a sashing on it and some cornerstones. Here is the scrappy version, and here is the 2 fabric version. I think this quilt, it's easy to cut and easy to piece, and it's just 1 block and then the sashings. Thank you for watching.